You've probably seen it on every tech job post lately. Spring Boot, it's everywhere. And you're probably thinking, what is this thing? Why does every company suddenly want it? Let me make it simple. Spring Boot is a tool that helps you build powerful backend applications using Java. But here's the important part. It saves you a ton of time. Imagine you're building a web app. You need login systems, database connections, APIs, security, scaling. Doing all that from scratch, that's like cooking a 5-course meal in a dirty kitchen with no ingredients. Spring Boot walks in like, hey, the oven's hot, your ingredients are prepped, your recipe is ready, go build your app. It gives you all the boring setup out of the box, built-in server, REST API support, database access, security tools, less boilerplate, more building. Now, why do companies love it? Because it works. It's fast, it's reliable, it scales, and it's been around long enough to prove itself in the real world. We're talking big companies, finance, healthcare, enterprise systems, using Spring Boot to run apps that handle millions of users and massive amounts of data. So if you know Spring Boot, you're not just another dev. You're someone who can build real production-level stuff, fast. And learning it, if you already know Java, picking up Spring Boot is honestly not that hard. You'll learn about controllers, services, connecting to databases, handling security, all that real backend magic. You don't have to know everything on day one. Start small. Build a to-do list app or a simple blog. Learn how to connect to a database. Then slowly move to APIs, login systems, and deployment. Before you know it, you'll be job ready. So yeah, Spring Boot isn't just a buzzword. It's a real skill, it's in demand, and if you're going into Java or backend dev, you need to learn it, stick with it, build something. And remember, those job posts aren't just looking for a resume. They're looking for someone who can actually build stuff that works.